Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I just love how these amazing Abby organizers are helping my countertops to stay neat and tidy and helping me locate all of those things I always misplace. I have a serious problem losing bobby pins and hair ties. I can never seem to put them in the same place, and they just are always missing when I need them. That's one thing I love about this organizer because there's a specific spot for me to put them. And I love that it's big enough that I can hold not just my hair ties, like lots of them, but also some smaller hair scrunchies and those little tiny clear hair ties that I use when I put my hair in braids. It comes with a lid for the two smaller containers. They stack on top of each other, and I really like that because our house gets kind of dusty, and so this is going to help to keep my Q-tips clean or whatever else it is that I choose to put in these. I love the bigger one because it holds all of my hairbrushes and it holds my makeup brushes and makeup tubes. It just makes it really easy to get to items when I need them quickly. I think this is a beautiful container, especially when I put it on my counter right by the window because it looks like crystal, kind of rainbowy and just really pretty. We live in a small home, so I really appreciate again that you can stack the smaller ones and they just look really pretty in many different locations, but still they're small enough to be able to kind of squirrel away in a cupboard if I need to, and it just helps things to stay nice and tidy. I love that these containers are making storage pretty and helping me keep things where I can find them, and that's my point of view.